Let's talk in the dark. Yes, we are in the dark. Sorry about not recording yesterday. It was raining and the internet was on the fritz. I know, no excuse. But nobody had internet yesterday. They sent out this stupid little text message, of course. Nobody pretty well got, unless they send it through your telephone, which that was the only reason why I got it. Of course, that was the only reason why a lot of people got it. And you're like, oh, the only reason why you're getting this text message because we're sending it to your telephone. If you're trying to get it through your internet server, we're sorry, but nobody's getting it. And then they went on to say that the internet was down and blah, 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 blah. Well, yeah, we've kind of figured that the internet was down, which was a bunch of shit. So, yeah, internet was down. And, I mean, they didn't actually come out and say why your internet was down, and they didn't tell you, oh, well, we're going to dock your fees about, you're not going to have to pay for that one day of not getting service. And then, of course, a lot of people are actually coming out and saying, well, since we're not getting that one day of service, are you going to not charge us that one day of not getting service? Then they did this hoo-ha, which meant that, yeah, you're still getting charged for that one day. Stupid people. Of course, I could have done this earlier, but it's still raining. It's been raining since about 4 o'clock this morning. I did not get much sleep. I went to bed about 2 o'clock. I had to get up at 6 o'clock. I don't know, I just did not get much sleep. I woke up like 30 minutes after I went to bed. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. This flu is killing me. I feel like crap. Oh, got a new fur baby. We decided to name him Buzz. He is a little white. He looks like a Siamese, the way he's marked up. But his markings are sort of a orangey yellow looking. He's adorable. He's finally getting along with the others. It's kind of funny when he growls, he sort of makes this buzzing noise, which is kind of cute. So we named him Buzz. Which, I mean, it fits. But at the same time, it just doesn't fit him. But, the buzzing noise fit. I don't know. He started taking it with my mom. Now he's taking it with me. And he's trying to he started out hating everybody. But now he's making friends with Twizzy. He wants to cuddle with Twizzy, but Twizzy doesn't want to cuddle with him. But Twizzy wants to play with him. But now he doesn't really want to play. I have no idea. But now he wants to play with Tabby. Tabby wants to play with him, but Tabby does not want him to touch her. I don't know. Now, Nosey's curious about him, but at the same time, Nosey just doesn't want to be touched by nobody. But Nosey likes to smell him, but he's afraid of, I don't know. He's my 13-year-old fur child. I don't know. And Baba wants to smell him, but Baba doesn't want him to smell her. but he gets in this little smell when she's not looking. Shadow wants to smell him, but Shadow still growls at him. Everybody wants to smell him, but nobody wants him to touch him. Lord. Everybody's a touch-me-not. But at the same time, he's afraid of Munchie, but of course Munchie's big. But of course, he doesn't even want to smell Munchie. Oh, God. I'm sleepy. Well, okay. I am going to let y'all get back to whatever y'all was doing. So, I'm going to go to bed, go back to sleep, do whatever it is that y'all going to be doing. Y'all stay safe, stay out of this rain, stay away from sick people, be good, like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. Be good, or at least try to. Bye.